I want to share with you my morning supplement routine and review these two supplements after I've been using them for 30 days and give you my thoughts. So I take these two supplements every morning with or right after breakfast, and I want to share why I started taking them and how they've been working for me. So the first one is EMMA, EMMA, and this one is a gut health and digestive support supplement that I've actually been taking for several months now. I ended up liking it so much right from the start that I signed up for the monthly subscription so that I wouldn't run out. I've tried so many digestive supplements over the years, but most of them just didn't seem to really do much for me. So when I came across this, I thought, why not give it a try? And I honestly have not looked back since. I've dealt with digestive issues, stomach discomfort, and bloating for quite a while, and this has really made a noticeable difference for me. It helps support digestion, regularity, microbiome balance, as well as just overall gut health. One thing that I really like about it, it doesn't just help with like constipation, it also helps with bloating and that uncomfortable heavy feeling that you sometimes get after eating. So it kind of works like a digestive enzyme for me. The ingredient list on this is pretty impressive. Look at all those ingredients. It includes things that I would normally buy separately, like berberine, quercetin, and resveratrol. So I love that they're all combined into this one supplement. And I only have to take 2 of these capsules daily. Let me show you what they look like. They're not too big at all. And if you follow me at all, you know that I don't like big capsules. So these are great, easy to get down, just 2 a day. And then the second supplement that I've been taking every morning is AKKA, AKKA. And this is made by the same company because since I liked their other products so well, I thought I'm going to stick with them and try this one. So not only is this product a probiotic, but it also supports liver wellness, detox support, and digestion. So our livers work hard every single day, and it's important that we do support them. And I also really like the ingredients in this formula. Not as big of a list, but it's got some of the ones you would recognize for liver support, but I also like that their ingredients are gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free, which is a big plus. So I also take 2 of these a day. They are about the same size, so pretty easy to get down. And I like that small size. So overall, I've been really happy with both of these supplements, and I plan to keep them as part of my morning routine. Now, everyone's different, of course, but for me, I have really just noticed better digestion, less discomfort, and just better feeling overall. So if you've been looking for digestive and gut support supplements, these are definitely worth checking out.